Hi everyone, this is Amynah and today we will be talking about this delicious summer treat which is a frozen banana dipped in dark chocolate and coated with almonds. So I thought that because summer is almost here and we are all craving ice cream, maybe we can try to create a healthy alternative so we can stay at home and make this delicious recipe with very few ingredients without having to go out. The first thing that we're gonna do is grab a banana. We're gonna peel it. Oops, broke this, but that's okay. I was gonna cut it in half anyways. And then we're gonna take our skewer and insert this inside our banana so that this looks like a popsicle stick. And then we're gonna do the same thing with the other banana as well. I'm going to cut these bananas because I don't want the final ice cream or frozen bananas to be too long. So what I did here is that I cut these in half and I'm going to eat the rest of the bananas. I'm obviously not going to waste it. So once your banana popsicles are ready, what we're going to do is that we are going to pop this in the freezer for at least 4 hours, or you can also do this overnight. Then I have about 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. I have about 3 to 4 tablespoons of olive oil, and I have some honey here as well. This is also about 2 tablespoons of honey. If you want, you can also use maple syrup instead of honey. We're going to try to avoid using sugar so that this is a healthier treat. Also have an optional ingredient right here, so I have grabbed a bunch of almonds which I'm going to roast, and I'm going to garnish my final frozen banana with roasted almonds. However, if you don't want to use almonds, you can also use shredded coconut, or you can skip this step altogether if you want to. So the first thing that we're doing in the kitchen is that in a saucepan on low flame, we are roasting our almonds. So I've cut up the almonds and then I'm going to roast it in this pan for about 15 to 20 seconds till they become a little more crisp and a little more brown. Once this is done, we are going to set aside our almonds and we're going to start working on our chocolate sauce. So I removed the almonds from this saucepan. Now I'm going to grab the oil and I'm going to put this inside the saucepan. Make sure that you grease the entire pan and keep the flame low. So now we're just going to wait for the oil to heat up. Now that my oil is heated, I'm going to start transferring the honey in the same saucepan. We're going to keep stirring the oil and the honey together so that they melt into each other. After about 10 to 15 seconds, we are ready to transfer our cocoa powder in the pan. I'm now going to stir this chocolate sauce, and because it's too thick, I think I'm going to add some milk to it as well. So I'm adding some almond milk to it. About 3 to 4 tablespoons. And I'll stir it all together. We're going to keep stirring our chocolate sauce till it looks like this. You can keep adding more milk if you want the sauce to be slightly thinner. Once our sauce is ready, we're going to grab the bananas that we put in the freezer last night and then pour our chocolate sauce over it. You can roll the banana over so that it's coated completely in chocolate. The banana is fully coated. I'm going to grab the almonds and then garnish our banana with it. And then when our banana looks like this, fully coated and dipped in chocolate, we are going to pop this in the freezer again for another 4 hours minimum. So after having these bananas in the freezer for another 4 hours, this is what they look like. They're crunchy, they're frozen, they're delicious, they're just the right amount of sweet, and they're so very simple to make. So try it out at home and let us know how they taste. Bye bye.